I saw some videos lately of how to clean various things in your house using ashes. I took some ashes from our chimenea and a microfiber cloth to try to clean off some of the soap scum that we have on our shower door. After that, I used some clean water to rinse off any of the excess grime. And it worked surprisingly well for very little effort. We have been trying all different types of cleaners to keep our door clean on a daily basis. We've tried everything from bleach to homemade cleaners like Dawn dish soap and vinegar. We've tried some of the commercial products too, but as you can see here, the ashes just did a really good job of cleaning it. I actually found this method on the Scandish Home YouTube channel. I'll definitely make sure to link her channel below so you can check her out, but I ended up deciding it was worth my time and effort to clean both of our shower doors with this ash mixture. After that was done, I wiped it with water, and then you can see me rubbing alcohol on top to really get any of the oils that are left over off of the doors. I also did want to mention that it's not necessary for you to take them off the rails, but we were redoing all the silicone on our door frames and everything holding them into place, so we decided to take them, the rails, everything off to give it a really good clean. I then proceeded to wipe the doors down with a lint-free cloth. I ended up using packaging paper. A lot of people like to use newspapers because it doesn't leave any type of streaks, but that's obviously up to you. Sifting your ash is also a good idea to make sure that you don't have any larger particles that could scrape or scratch any of the items that you're cleaning. We also used the ashes to clean some of the rails that held our shower door in that were completely covered in soap scum. And as you can see, it did an amazing job making them look pretty new again. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful, and please comment below if you have had any luck cleaning items with ashes in the past.